Vibrating from Las Giddy. Africans, I got reasoning for you guys. Sometime in Nasarawa, a casket was found. Carbon dating traced that casket like 8,000 years ago. So it means 8,000 years ago, people were living in Nasarawa State. And some people's narrative is telling me that is 5,000 years ago that one man just created the world, the universe. It is wine us. 8,000 years ago, people were living in Nasarawa. That means 20,000 years ago, people were living in Benin. 100,000 years ago, people were living in Egypt. Millions of years ago, people were living in Africa. As Africans, where we be. So why would we just come along our timeline, along our journey? Because we are actually going somewhere in a spiritual journey normally. Because then they don't understand. Now why did they do all this capping, all this science, with this all science and technology? They try to bring out for real life. No, na spiritual stuff. No, na something for the mind, bro. You can't come, you can't spoil now just because you won't fight war, because you need oil for things. Like you call stupid things we say we get, we say we never want to use yet, we say we just keep. You can't pack up, but you can't go. You say because you want slave master, now you betray. Bro, what the fuck? Why will you use mirror to cheat man? Oh yeah, fine, don't do. Carry the oil go. We know who they chop the oil, we never know see they use the oil do. All this is what they use, all this uranium, we get them plenty for year. No worry, the time we show say we go need them, we never need them yet. I still get banana I want chop from my 10 acres of land. One man to do the wet, I did mash am. When you start from there first, you can't come now, you can't change the name for place where you say Benin Day. Thousands of years of thousands of civilization wey be say they come. The great Oyo Empire, all these places you just cancel them. The Ashanti Kingdom, the Zulu. It's not great empire wey don dey for many years, thousands of years. You just cancel and just give this is nigger area and this is Gold Coast. What the fuck? And I'm not waiting these people do us. It just be like say they come here civilization like this is where humans evolved from. The first human wey waka for air, they trace am for this Africa. You just come, just hit reset button. No be say na normal reset, factory reset. Factory reset, like we never even know we be again like this now. Come download new file, come give us TV wey we dey watch. Make we first off the TV. After everybody, make we first off our TV first. Let's start from there. I be sure this is na because of the big job wey they promise you for share when I dey shack you. What is money? You think you purpose for life? You think I purpose for life na money? Brother, if you know how powerful you are, brother, you no go chop for like 1 week. If you know how powerful you are, you no go chop for like 1 week. Sister, if you know how powerful you are, you go burn on your week. You no go come online again. And make I bust my head say this power I dey tell una about. No be to go spill blood or anything. Na inside here. You just know 1 or 2 things. Now when they kill that thought, maybe we no find out that thought. They kill us, maybe we no find. Africans, do you know that war is not only fought on the battlefield, but on different fronts? Africans, do you know that since colonization, the world has been at war with Africa and Africans? Do you know? All those viruses created in their labs, all those things. You know what they call biological warfare? Do you know how many of our brothers and sisters, our daddies and uncles are dying from these virus that created in these their labs every day? Thousands of us. That's the war against Africa. They are eating us on different fronts, bro. I didn't want to talk about the religion part because that's obviously worst. From the Sahara, from the Sahel. They shall want chop us reach Africa. How long do you think you could hold on? How long do you think you can hold on? You can't hold on any longer. You know, they're just like domestic animal pro match right now. These people, they are fucking rearing us, bro. It got to be like all these sci-fi movies, oh. Our slave masters might be our shepherd. Our best brain. You know, if you go far for life, they don't sharp snatch them. This place now rearing ground now. Africa are rearing ground. If man no fit trace this thought, now so they go use us finish. They don't plan for themselves normally. They won't go mass. So. Where we say we won't go? Africa, where we won't go? This is now once they sleep, abi.